So today the site I'm gonna show you is how you can generate unlimited images for free, and all these images are next level actually. Not like Midjourney obviously, but it's for free. You have to understand. You have to understand that. Okay, I have total 3 website here, and all of these are GenTube, GenTube. Okay, we will explore all of them. Let's uh let's check some clips. I have already checked some videos from this site, and if truly saying, these are really too much unreal. I don't know, is it made by this website or just edited a video and just uploaded here? I'm confused. Okay, I was also checking some images. Okay, as you can see, all kind of images are available here, and yeah, everything is depends on your prompt. So let's try it. So both are same website. Okay. Let's create an image. Okay, got my concept. I actually want to see how much credit I currently have. Okay, so that means it's 100% free and unlimited, I think. Let's start creating images. Oh yeah, we will use ChatGPT here. Image, write me an image prompt. Write me an image prompt for GenTube. So, image, GenTube image generation. I do generate and down. Writing scenario. Okay. Just copy and paste it. Paste here. Let's check. Let's see what he gives us. Shit, man. It's look like someone just took an photo by camera, but some likings in their eyes. Okay, so these are the bugs. It's AI generated. Okay. Image prompt. Oh, what I can say? Uh, where in JUNN FT eating honey from the POW bottom of tree and honey drop is coming from top of the tree. Top of the tree. Let's see. Not like that, but it's it's slightly reached my expectation. Can I? Okay, I don't find the save option here, but I don't know how can I save the original quality. A simple option is here. Can directly save the image. So I don't prefer that, but I think it will also give the it will also give the same quality as it is right now. So that was it, and let me try some. Let me try creating a video. Image style stitch recent. My blogs create. My profile notification new. Well, no video option, man. How they generate video? Girl image anchor I restrict the girl using a visual in her and let's see. Russian or China, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this tool is awesome, man. It just it's changing the full design uh, based on the graph actually. Just China billboard. Totally China. Chinese. I'm really confused. Okay. You can't do right click here. Yeah, right click. So I don't know how to save it. Okay. That's the old tricks. Just right click on mouse and save. Okay, so that was it, and yeah.